India is a large country, painted with contrasting colors.
On one side lies the ancient stone-carved heritage of Karnataka.
On the other side stands the sacred snow-crowned valleys.
Geography divides them, but art brings them together.
Good morning, LCS. Today, we take you on a journey across India, from the lush green western Ghats of Karnataka to the majestic Himalayas of Uttarakhand. Though separated by distance, these two states are united by the culture, traditions, and the spirit of India.
Mahatma Gandhi once said, prayer is not asking, it's the longing of the soul. It's the daily admission of one's weakness. So let us all join our hands, close our eyes, and recite the prayer, followed by the prayer song. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from all evil. When upon your life will lose your tempest tossed, when you are discouraged thinking all is lost, count your many blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one, count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, rising, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done.
The preamble is the soul of our constitution. It tells us who we are as Indians. So now let's say the preamble together. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Unity is not about being the same. It is about respecting our differences and growing together. So now I call upon Vivan to share the thought for the day.
Thought for the day. When we celebrate art and culture, we celebrate diversity and promote unity among people. I repeat, when we celebrate art and culture, we celebrate diversity and promote unity among people. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivan, for that wonderful thought.
Every day in the calendar has its own importance, reminding us about remarkable events, inspiring personalities, or memorable causes that shape our lives. As we gather on 30th June, let us take a moment to understand the significance of this day and the values we learn from it. Now, I call upon Pranav to tell today's significance.
Good morning, everyone. World Asteroid Day is celebrated every year on June 30th. This day is dedicated to raising awareness about asteroids, their importance in our solar system, and the potential risks they pose to our Earth. This day also reminds us about the importance of scientific research, planetary defense, and space exploration. It encourages people, especially students, to develop an interest in astronomy and science. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranav.
People say that the newspaper is the window to the world. So now, let's open the window by today's headlines presented by Izuddin, Mayur and Nandish.
Good morning. Today's news headlines. International news. Europe continues to face an intense heat wave with several countries recording extremely high temperatures. Ukraine carried out fresh strikes on Russian oil facilities as the conflict continues. National news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored by Seychelles with the Guardian of the Blue Horizon award during his official visit. Jammu and Kashmir plans to add 200 new electric buses to improve transport in rural and tourist areas.
Sports news. Brazil triumphed over Japan in a thrilling 2-1 victory in the round of 32 of the FIFA World Cup 2026.
Local news. CBSE relaxes 3-language policy for class 7, 8, 9. Allows 2 foreign language option. AG Srinivas takes charge at South Western Railway. Youth Congress member take out torch rally in Hubli.
Thank you for the news updates. As they say, information is power, and you have wonderfully presented it today. Hey Siddharth, our hearts are bubbling with joy today. Do you know why?
Yes, very much. Because today at LCS, we are celebrating LCS Art Integrated Activity with the theme One India, Many Cultures.
May I now invite our dignitaries to inaugurate the LCS Art Integrated Project of the year 2026-27.
Thank you, dignitaries. Now, let us all enjoy a creative travel show. Fasten your seatbelts, sit back and enjoy the show.
Welcome aboard India Express. Our first stop is Karnataka.
Known for its rich heritage, technology, coffee plantation, and vibrant folk arts, Karnataka is truly a land of opportunities.
Namaskara. I represent Karnataka. My state is famous for Mysuru Dasara, Yakshagana, Carnatic music, Sandalwood and Bengaluru, the IT capital of India. Here are some famous personalities to represent Karnataka.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಕಿತ್ತೂರ ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಪ್ರತೀಕ. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
ಪರ್ವತಗಳ ಸೊಬಗಿನ ಮಲೆನಾಡು ನನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸಿತು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ನನ್ನ ಕವಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿಸಿತು. ಪದಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಕು ನೀಡುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಹೆಸರು ಕುಪ್ಪಳ್ಳಿ ವೆಂಕಟಪ್ಪ ಪುಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ.
Good morning. I am a proud girl from Kodagu, the beautiful lands of hills, forests and coffee plantation in Karnataka. Our people are known for their courage, hospitality and rich tradition. We celebrate our festivals with great joy and respect nature as a part of our lives. I am proud of my culture and heritage, which teaches me discipline, unity and love for my land.
I am representing the folk dance of Karnataka. Karnataka's folk dance is like the mirror of our culture. Karnataka has the rich varieties of folk dances. These tell stories, celebrate harvest and honor local gods. These involve bright costumes, fast movements and heavy drums to bring our local culture to life. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, let's travel north to the beautiful state of Uttarakhand.
Namaste. I represent Uttarakhand, also known as the Dev Bhumi. It's the home to the Himalayas, sacred temples, beautiful valleys, and vibrant folk traditions.
Namaste. I am Bachandri Pal. I became the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest on 1984. Through determination, courage, hard work, I brought pride to my country and achieved my dream. I was awarded with Padma Shri in 1984. My message to all of you is that never give up on your dreams, no matter how difficult the journey may seem. Thank you.
नमस्ते सभी को। मैं मीना राणा उत्तराखंड की बहुत प्रसिद्ध गायिका हूँ। मुझे उत्तराखंड की लता मंगेशकर भी कहा जाता है। मुझे विभिन्न गीतों के लिए सर्वश्रेष्ठ महिला गायिका की श्रेणी में पुरस्कार मिला है। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते सभी को। मैं उत्तराखंड की लोक संस्कृति का प्रतिनिधित्व बता रही हूँ। उत्तराखंड अपनी समृद्धि, संस्कृति और पारंपरिक वेशभूषा के लिए प्रसिद्ध है। मुझे उत्तराखंड की रीति रिवाजों पर गर्व है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Now it is time for the quiz. Let's see how much our audience is aware of.
Which city is known as India's Silicon Valley?
I think it is fact.
That's right, it's Bengaluru.
What land is called Devbhoomi?
Kerala?
No, that's wrong. But let me give you a hint. It's also called the land of gods.
Is it Uttarakhand?
Yes, that's right. It's Uttarakhand.
Name a famous folk art of Karnataka.
Is it Yakshagana?
Yes, you're right.
Which mountain range dominates Uttarakhand?
Is it Himalayas?
Yes, that's the correct answer.
Our foods, customs, and dresses may differ.
But our values of respect, courage, and kindness are the same. We are
two different flowers from one beautiful garden called India.
Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of the people in your charge. May I now request our dear Father Principal to address the gathering.
Good morning, dear staff and students.
Good morning, Father Principal.
How are you all today?
We are fine, thank you, Father. How are you, Father?
I'm also fine, thank you. Today we are all happy as we celebrate CBSE Art Integrated Project by pairing the states of Karnataka and Uttarakhand. I see the happiness on your face. We see the students of grade 8A conducting this morning assembly with the inauguration of the project, and we have students from grade 1 to 12 who are ready with their project presentation soon after the morning assembly. Dear students and staff, we all know India is a land with a diverse culture and diversity. Each state has got its own history, legacy, art, culture, food, lifestyle, and way of life. By combining Karnataka and Uttarakhand, we explore and appreciate the rich heritage of these two states. We live in Karnataka, we know most of the things about our state, but it is also an opportunity for all of us to know more about Uttarakhand. We have different projects for different grades, and students have come prepared. It's also called as a multidisciplinary activity where art is combined with other subjects like English, Hindi, mathematics, as well as AI. The students will be able to analyze the given project from different point of view, and they will be able to get the essence of different states. So this kind of projects, dear students, encourages creativity, teamwork, research ability, and communication. I wish you all the best for the day. May your creativity be seen in your projects. May the knowledge, the deeper knowledge that you have got, enrich not only you but also the others who visit your project today. On this joyous occasion, I would like to congratulate the students of grade 8A and their class teacher Rekha ma'am and the music teachers for training them for today's inaugural ceremony. We also thank Anita Minages ma'am, who is also celebrating her birthday today, who is in charge of the Art Integrated Project, and we thank Deepa ma'am for the support she has rendered towards this project. May this day be an enriching and enliven for all of us. Thank you. Bless us all.
Thank you, Father, for those inspirational words of wisdom.
Today, Karnataka and Uttarakhand have shown that diversity is India's greatest strength. Let us celebrate every culture, every language, and every tradition, for together we make India truly great.
This assembly was conducted by the students of class 8A under the guidance of Ma'am Rekha Naveen and the music teacher Mr. Roshan Cordero.
I, Purvi.
I, Kalaika.
I, Siddharth.
And I, Dvijraj. Sign off. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead.
School attention. School standardities. School attention. Let's all join our voices and sing the school anthem.
School, stand at ease. Have a marvelous day ahead.
Reach for the sky, you are the reason dreams can fly. Oh, Ruth Central School. Oh,